Creating a new YouTube channel can be a bit of a challenge. Today I'm going to walk you through it step by step. So let's get to it. My name is Michael Fira Jr. I'm YouTube Growth Certified. This channel's dedicated to helping you grow on YouTube. So elevate your YouTube strategy, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell so you know when I have new content that comes out. Before you can create a new YouTube channel, you have to create a Google account. For this, you go into Google and you click the little circle in the top right-hand corner. If you don't have the circle, just click Sign In. Select Add Account. Then you want to click Create Account. Select For Myself and click Next. Now, depending upon what your YouTube channel is going to be called, that is the name you're going to use here. It seems a little counterintuitive because obviously Google wants people signing up for this. If your channel has two different names like mine does, Generation Next, you can use one word as the first name and one word as the second name. Or you can just use both words as the first name if Google will accept that. Next, you want to type in the email address that you want to be associated with the channel. This can be anything, but you probably want to make it something with the channel name in it so you remember what the email address is. Create your password and then click Next. You can see I got rejected here. I'm going to have to select a different email address. Just keep putting in different email addresses that you're going to remember until you get to one that Google says isn't already being used. Then click Next. Next, you want to enter a phone number you can receive a text on. Put in a recovery email. This should be an email that's not the Gmail account you just created because needless to say, if you forget your password, them sending your new password to that Gmail account isn't going to do you any good because it's the same password. So use a different email that you know you're going to receive emails on if you need to change your password. Go ahead and put in your date of birth here, select your gender, and click Next. Now you have an opportunity to verify your account with the phone call. They'll either call you or text you. It's really simple. Just go ahead and follow the process to make sure your account's verified. Next, you have to agree to the privacy and terms, so you just scroll to the bottom and you click I agree. And now you have a Google account. Next, we jump over into YouTube. Go ahead and click that little circle in the top right-hand corner or click Sign In if that's what's listed there. Then go ahead and click Add an Account. Here you should see the account we just created, so all you have to do is click on that account. Then click on the little circle in the top right-hand corner. Click on Your Channel. Now you just have to click Create Channel. You might have to do this twice, but once you do, you're in. Here you go. Your channel's all created. Now in the coming weeks, I'm going to go farther into the setup of your YouTube channel. We're going to talk about setting up channel keywords so YouTube knows who your content is for, how to get your YouTube channel verified so a lot of the features that you want are going to be active, how to add your channel art, how to do your about page, how to configure your channel properly, and also there are some secret settings that you want to know about. All those videos are going to be coming up really soon, so you want to subscribe to the channel and click that bell so you don't miss a thing. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.